In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Microsoft Excel file into an editable Google Sheet. This process is useful for anyone looking to collaborate seamlessly with others, leverage cloud storage, or manipulate data on the go. Let's dive right in and go step by step. First things first, we start by opening Google Drive. You'll want to navigate to your web browser and head over to drive.google.com. If you aren't already signed in, you'll need to log in using your Google account details. This ensures you have access to your cloud storage for the next steps. Now, with your Google Drive open, we'll move on to uploading your Excel file. On the top left corner of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Plus New. Go ahead and click on that and choose File Upload from the drop-down menu. This is where you select the Excel file on your computer that you want to work with. It could be a .xls or .xlsx file. Once you've chosen your file, it will start uploading, and shortly you'll see it pop up in your My Drive section, so keep an eye out for that. Now that your file is safely housed in Google Drive, we're going to open it within Google Sheets, find your file, and with a right click, hover over the Open With option. You'll see an option for Google Sheets. Select that. This step is where the magic happens. Your Excel file converts into a format compatible with Google Sheets. Most of the time, Excel's formulas and formatting will be preserved, so what you see here should look pretty familiar. You're now in a position to edit the spreadsheet online as needed. Our next task is to ensure that this file becomes a fully editable Google Sheet. At the top of your interface, you'll see a File option. Click there and then select Save as Google Sheets. This creates a new version of your spreadsheet, one that lives entirely within Google's ecosystem. Take a moment to rename this document if you want to, keeping things organized within your drive. Finally, let's go over how you can share your newly created Google Sheet with others. Look towards the top right corner of your document and click the Share button. Here, you can enter email addresses of the people you want to share with, or opt for a more general anyone with the link choice. It's also crucial to set the permissions based on what you need. If you want someone to only look at the document, opt for viewer. For those who can comment but not change the content, choose commenter. And if you want to give full editing access, select editor. Once you've set these parameters, you can copy the link and share it with whoever you wish. Remember to click done. And that's it. There you have it. Your step-by-step guide to converting and collaborating using Google Sheets.